Hi, to add notes on the home screen of your OnePlus Nord 3, we would need to unlock the phone first, and here press and hold any free space on the screen like that till we see this list appears on the bottom of the display. So now simply select widgets, and here scroll to find the notes widgets. And yes, here it is. You just need to tap it, and now you can just reorder it, just drag it anywhere, for example on the second page. And if you're satisfied with the changes, just press the done button, and here is your notes widgets. So you can tap it, and here you can immediately edit your to-do list. Just type in something else or add an emoji here and tap the save button, and this is how it will look now. If you performed your task, just tap here, and this would mean that you just did the task which you added to the list. You can also tap the settings icon and here select this option to hide completed tasks, and now you can see that this emoji disappeared because it was a completed task. Here we can also change the widget opacity, and that is how it will look now. And that's it, how it works. So hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.